Repairing damaged flexible vinyl planks is fast and easy. First, locate a similar-looking plank to the damaged one. Make 2 equal cuts using a utility knife through the damaged plank from end to end. Then carefully remove all pieces of the damaged plank from the floor. The resulting space should be the perfect fit for a brand new plank. Place the new plank into the open portion of the floor, where the damaged plank has now been completely removed. Remember, if this is your first plank replacement, no new adhesive is required on the floor. Mohawk Multifunctional Flooring Adhesive will work for up to 3 floor applications after the first installation. Firmly press down the new plank so the adhesive grabs it and the plank lays completely flat. That's it, you have successfully removed and replaced a damaged plank.